Are you ready to call Dundas home? This 3-bed, 2.5-bath end unit beauty is in the west end of Hamilton's Valley community of Dundas, and I can't wait to show you inside. But before we head in, I just want to share that it's walking distance to more than 40 kilometers of local hiking trails in Dundas Conservation Area, a short drive to the iconic waterfalls of Hamilton, and close to elementary schools as well as the neighborhood high school. This community has a lot of wonderful reasons to call it home. Having a unique corner lot floor plan means you'll get to enjoy all of the extra windows, and with the stamped concrete backyard patio, you'll have an outdoor space to call your own. Throw in the garage for extra storage and parking, and you might just find yourself enjoying a bike ride downtown to enjoy the vibrant community. Heading inside, the front hall with large closet is centered around the first of 2 main floor living spaces. This bonus den space is unique in the complex and one of my favorite features of the home, as there is no bedroom above, making it the perfect evening escape. On the other side, you'll find the large custom eat-in kitchen, which was fully renovated in 2023. With a dining room table overlooking the large windows, you can spend time together prepping meals or just enjoy each other's company. Just beyond the kitchen sliding doors is the stamped concrete patio, which is fully enclosed by a fence with access to the common area green space, adding to your living space during the warmer months. Heading into the second living room space on this level, there's a wonderful electric fireplace for you to cozy up to when the cooler weather arrives, or just leave on for ambience without the heat. There is also a 2-piece bathroom, adding to the convenience of this home's floor plan. Heading upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms. And again, because of the corner lot, the extra windows add to the vibrant natural light. The 2 smaller bedrooms are positioned away from the primary bedroom for added privacy. The traditional main bathroom is designed to accommodate those busy mornings and evening wind downs. The primary bedroom also offers 2 closets and large window to round off your personal space. Heading to the recently finished basement, you can make the most of the rec room, or in this case, space to play. With a bonus office and storage spaces, you'll have endless options for how you want to utilize the basement. Walking distance to the elementary schools, high school, parks, and trails, there's a lot to love about this unit. If you're looking to call this incredible community home, Unit 36 at 7 Davidson might just be for you. And if you're not sure what makes Dundas such a unique community in Hamilton, come spend some time exploring. From the incredible nature created by the valley landscape, to the artistic vibrancy of the community, or enjoying seasonal festivals, to the diverse buildings and architecture. Thanks for taking a tour with me. If you have any questions or would like to see the property in person, feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep it genuine.